She never heard that one before. That was my goal. I was told that if you walk into a meeting late and people have already started talking, that you are as quiet as possible. For me, a woman, I have a purse. I put my phone on silent. I put it in my purse. I take my keys. I put them in my purse so they don't jingle dangle when I come into the room. But have you seen these people that walk in like this? So distracting. It's like, why didn't they just do something like this? It would have been just as distracting. Oh yeah, I'm out of control. I don't know. Uh-oh, I feel some gas. Sorry about my gas. It runs in my family. Oh yeah. Oh, a pirate's life for me. Chug, chug, chug with the glockenspiel. Thanks for letting me do all of that in front of you. I'm Alex Hoover.